Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a donation form with Stripe. First things first, as you probably thought, we are going to use Stripe, so naturally first step would be logging into Stripe. So you have to go to stripe.com. Sorry, I already had it opened, but this is where you land. It's beautiful website. As you can see, those colors are just outstanding, which is a really nice thing for your customers. They would already think that you are partnered with someone or something that is actually worth their time, and it's worth to send the money through Stripe. All you have to do is click on top right corner where the sign in option is. And this is sign in, but we want to sign up. It's underneath this form and we're gonna hit it. All you have to do is email, full name and country, also a password. There's not a lot of countries supporting Stripe. It's only the bigger ones or the EU ones, but also I saw Thailand there, Brazil, Croatia, Cyprus, Ireland, Japan. So it's a handful of countries that you can use Stripe with. So, and then the password. Downside is you can't really log in with your Gmail account, or you can't really join in with your Apple ID, but don't be lazy, just write down the account and you are good to go. Once you create yourself an account, what you have to do is finish activating on of the account. Obviously in here I don't have it finished because they are ask you for your bank details. Don't get me wrong, they don't want your money, they just want you to give them your IBAN. For example, I'm from Slovakia, sorry, not Romania, but Slovakia, yes. So my IBAN starts with SK, and I don't want to fill it out for the sake of this video. I don't really want to leak it, any of the informations. I believe you get me. So let's leave this place and let's make this donation form possible. On top right corner, as you can see, we have this couple of options: payment, balances, customers, products, billing, reports, connect, and more. And we are interested in more. In here, what we want to do is click on payment links. We are here now. I already created a few of them, but let's ignore it and click on a new one. This is where we land. This is what we do. So select type. Customers choose what to pay, or products or subscriptions. I already covered products or subscriptions, where you already have your products pre-made, and then we have customers choose what to pay. And this is just outstanding way from Stripe to actually create this field or create this room for donations. If you are collecting money for your friends after injury, or you are doing some kind of charity work, or basically anything that you need to collect the money for, some kind of, for example, movement for your local forests or shelters, or, well, it's completely up to you. Stripe is a really beautiful way how you can collect the money. So title. So I want to go with a title of being, let's say, money for shelter in, let's go money for animal shelter in Ružomberok, which is a place where I am. You can go with upload your logo, if I have any type of logo. Let's go with Moon. Okay, so this is it. Description, let's not address any. And we have money for animal shelter, we have a logo, description. It's completely up to you. You don't need me to do it. Currency, you can choose from basically all of them because it benefits Stripe itself. They are taking 2.9% of every transaction plus 30 cents. So if it's really cheap, they at least get the 30 cents. And suggest a preset amount. You can go with 50, yeah, but then why would customer choose what to pay? I leave it blank. If customer wants to give €1, it will give €1 and you'll get like 70 cents maybe, or a little bit less. You can also set limits, which is minimum amount and maximum amount, but obviously we don't really want to be addicts. And this is a crucial. On the right side, you see that on the bottom you have the option of pay, and this is a donation, so we don't really want to feel our contributors to feel like they are paying us. We want to make them feel that they are donating the money for the animal shelter. So in advanced options, we want to switch from pay to donate. And once you do that, on the bottom part is donate option. Obviously, with the Apple logo, there will be pay. We can't do any more about it. We can add a custom field. This custom field can suit for some additional information. Also collect customer address. So if the customer is generous enough and he will send you way more money maybe as you probably thought that or anyone would send, you can like send him, for example, photos of the animals that they got affected by his donation or generosity, and require customer to provide a phone number. We can do that, or we don't really have to, because then they can just maybe can send the message that it's not that convenient. Okay, now we create a link on top right corner, and here we are. It's a money for animal shelter in Rombero. Customer choose in euros. Payment methods, we can manage them, obviously. We can add more or we can get rid of. PayPal is very nice with it, but probably all of them will be playing by Google Pay, Apple Pay or card. And the preview is on the right side. You can edit the metadata, but we don't really have to. And yeah, we can copy the code or copy the URL, or we can get a QR code. With this QR code, we can download it, and we can basically even print it and put it on the walls if you want to really reach all of the people, not only the ones that you send it to. So that's about it, guys. If you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.